Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on iPad with keyboard and mouse. First, ensure your iPad is running iPad OS 13.4 or newer, as this version introduced full mouse support. Also, confirm that both your keyboard and mouse are Bluetooth-compatible devices. A fully charged battery for both peripherals will ensure a smooth and uninterrupted setup experience. This foundational step is crucial for a seamless gaming session. Now let's connect your devices. Go to your iPad's Settings application and tap on the Bluetooth option. Turn Bluetooth on if it isn't already. Your keyboard should appear in the Other Devices list. Tap it to pair. Repeat this process for your Bluetooth mouse, ensuring it connects as a pointer device. Once both are paired, you'll see them listed under My Devices, ready for use. With your peripherals connected, launch Genshin Impact. Inside the game, open the payment menu and navigate to the settings. Here, you can customize your experience. Pay close attention to the controls and key bindings sections. Adjust camera sensitivity to a comfortable level and remap any keys that feel awkward. Spending a few minutes here will significantly enhance your gameplay. To truly master Genshin Impact with keyboard and mouse, practice is key. Start by exploring a familiar, low-threat area to get accustomed to the new controls. The mouse offers incredible precision for aiming, especially beneficial for bow-wielding characters. Don't forget to customize your hotkeys for abilities and items. Efficient skill rotation can make a huge difference in combat. Enjoy your enhanced Teyvat adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.